In this video, I want to show you how you can trade futures on TradingView. Now this is really easy, guys. What you want to do is head over to the super charts. Once you're in here, you want to connect your broker. So click on, there will be something called trading panel. Now I'm on my paper trading account, but you will have something called paper trading, trading panel I mean. You can drag in this one to open it up and just select your broker and connect it. Once you're in here, what you want to do is click up here where you can search for whichever one you want to do and select futures. Then you will be able to see the futures that you can trade and just click on it and you'll now be able to trade directly on the chart. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. You can make your order right here if you want to be market order, limit order, stop order, and that is basically how it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.